Look at this one, Pat.
Before I connect you with your Cell House audio tour, I realize I'm talking to you as you're catching your breath, maybe, going up that hill. Now, one of these newspaper reporters came out here and he said, quote, along the roadside, as it neared the summit, was a row of charming Gothic cottages, each with a little garden plot. The voices of merry children made the air musical. That was Alcatraz, 1885. Now the military, they're making all these fortifications, cannon, and a little bit of soil. They go to Angel Island, which was a military base too at the time. They import soil from Angel Island, they dump it here to make all of these artificial hills. You could put a cannon behind them. They inadvertently introduced a lot of native plants here to this island. But the military, especially the military wives, the children, they start all of these gardens on this island. They introduce roses, geraniums, the trees we're looking at today. They couldn't order themselves in nice little neat rows on the parade ground, but they could order their roses and geraniums in these beautiful rows. They had so many leftover cannonballs, they used them to line the garden beds. Imagine asking your local hardware store for some cannonballs for your garden. Now the military wives, they created these rose gardens, tea gardens up at the old citadel, what used to be there before the fort. But in the 1930s, this place gets new owners. It goes from a minimum security military prison, a fortress military prison, to all of a sudden a super max penitentiary in the 1930s.
They'll make their nest anywhere. Yeah. Look at this, Pat.
Little chicks and stuff. Wow.
Yeah.
She's had little babies. Well, a little while ago, but yeah.
Not too long ago, though.
Not too long ago, no.
Yep.
Go badly, uh-oh. 10%.
Uh-oh. Let's get rolling.